What's up guys, I'm Suman from Phonestein. So if you're someone who's looking out to buy a 4K smart TV but under 30,000 rupees, then this video is the right one for you. Because in this video, do we not only have 43-inch 4K smart TVs, but we also have 50-inch 4K smart TVs for around 30,000 rupees. So without wasting any precious time, let us begin. Now this video is going to be a little different than usual because I am going to be splitting this video into two, 43-inch TVs and 50-inch TVs. So let us start with the 43-inch models. So we have three TVs here. We have one from LG and one from MI, which is the X series, and one from VU, which is the Glow LED series. Now as you can see here, all these are 43-inch 4K TVs, all have 60 Hz refresh rate. Now all these run on some kind of smart OS. Now LG has WebOS, whereas the MI has Android TV with patch wall, and the VU has Google TV. Now the speakers are kind of a decent setup here. Now the LG has 20 watts, the MI has 30, and the VU has 84 watts, and that is including a dedicated subwoofer. Now all these have Dolby support. There's no Dolby Atmos, of course you can't expect that in this price range, but for this price I think that is pretty good. And the surprising thing is all these come with HDMI 2.1. Now of course that means you should technically be able to play at 120 Hz, but these TVs do not support that. But at least I'm glad that you have the support for HDMI 2.1, and most of these have Bluetooth 5.0 and above. But for under 30,000 rupees, I think these three 43-inch TVs are really good. Now if you can take any one in these and you are going to be happy. And with that said, moving on to the 50-inch versions. Here we have two TVs, one from TCL and another from MI. Now both are again 50-inch 4K TVs, 60 Hz refresh rate, and the TCL has Google TV while MI has Android TV with patch wall. Now the MI TV has 30 watt speakers, whereas the TCL has only 15 watts. Now that is kind of a downside, not a huge fan of that. Now both have Dolby Audio support, both have HDMI 2.1s, and again the same thing as the 43-inch versions. Now when you look at all these 5 TVs, the ultimate decision comes to you. Just think if you want a 43-inch TV or a 50-inch TV, and next up make sure you decide which OS you want. Do you want Google TV, do you want Android TV with patch wall, or do you want LG's WebOS? We have 3 options here, so make sure you check that. But other than that, it ultimately comes down to the LED display itself. So if you want to make the right decision, just go to your nearby store. It could be Chroma, Reliance Digital, or even the official MI showrooms or things like that. Just go there, take a look, compare the TVs for yourself, and then make a buying decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and this here is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.